Hi, this is Fanil Dalal from College Dunia. Here with me, Dr. Om Prakash Mahadwaj, Dean of Engineering and Science Center of Excellence, UPL University. So, before proceed further, we would like to know about yourself, your background.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Om Prakash Mahadwaj. I'm in charge Dean of Engineering and Center of Excellence. I have total 21 years of teaching experience, and from last 5 years I'm working as head of chemical technology department.
So, my first question to you is, what are the different programs offered by this university in engineering field?
Well, in UPL University of Sustainable Technology offers Bachelor of Engineering in 6 programs in chemical engineering, environment science and technology, chemical technology, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer engineering. Along with this, UPL University offers the diploma degree in chemical engineering, computer engineering, environment engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and fire technology and safety. Along with this B and diploma courses, we are also offer Masters of Engineering program in chemical, in thermal and environment management.
Okay, sir. So, my next question to you is, what are the features of UPL University?
Okay, UPL University have a very highly qualified and experienced faculty members in different fields of engineering. We develop laboratories and for different courses which are running from since last 2011. UPL University has more than 50 MOUs with multinational industries, institutes such as IICT Hyderabad, Miami University USA, University of Newcastle, Australia, Gujarat Cleaner Production Centers, Gandhinagar, Rubber Skill Development Council, Government of India, etc. To get practical exposures to the industries, we conducted different 24 industrial visits to every course. Along with that, for updating on current advancement technologies, we conduct 32 expert lectures for every course. Development of chemical engineering and department, environment science and technology are accredited by NBA. Along with that, Shroff SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology is also NBA accredited. For overall development of the students, we are offering professional skill development programs. We call it as a PSD. University is also offering certificate courses such as in dyes and pen technologies, process safety, and environment technologies, etc.
Okay, sir. Sir, my third question to you is, how does the curriculum of UPL University ensures the best practice of industry?
Well, there are a number of peoples from the industries, those are involved in curriculum designs of the university. The syllabus defined is as per the industry requirements. We have given more weightage to the practical exposures of industries by providing the in-plant training of 6 to 8 weeks. And students are working on industry-defined problems in the final year project for 1 year.
Okay, sir. So, what is your plan for Center of Excellence in Process Safety?
Center of Excellence in Process Safety started at Shroff SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology 5 years back, with the objective of sharing the knowledge with the industry people to make working environment safe. So by keeping objective in front, we are providing the training to the different peoples from this safety point of view. We are exchanging the knowledge to the industry peoples by providing expert lectures to them, and we are also offering the different certificate courses related to the safety under the banner of Center of Excellence.
Okay, sir. So, any suggestions for the current batch of students and future students who wants to take in chemistry field or engineering field?
Uh, Shortly, I would like to say the students, those who are interested to take the admission in engineering, their futures are very bright and their future are in the safe hands. We promise you to make your career in a good shape, and we also promise to you to give a good opportunity in the future.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time and insights from the education industry as well as your college.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.